Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to All Things Hockey. And today, we don't have a mail time. Today is the start of 4 boxes of extended series. And I may have mentioned this in a previous video, and I'm also going to preface that YouTube is not agreeing with me on my phone recently and will not upload my videos, so that is why it's taking me like a week in between each video, because it's just there's all this dumb stuff I have to do, and recently I have not had the time to do it because I started my new job today as in August 5th. That is the day that this video is being created. Started my new job today on a food truck, so that's really cool. And I might sound a little different because for some reason my voice decided to not show up completely today. So if you hear me kind of get really soft, it's not my fault. Either way, we have 4 boxes, and I have a postal scale, so I weighed all of them, and they all weigh 1 pound and 1.2 ounces, except for one that weighs 1 pound 1.3 ounces. I don't know what that means, but it's a thing. And so I'm going to be hostile, and I'm going to do that box last. So, that being said, we're going to do this box. But to start off, we've got, I know it's not a mail time, but my buddy, Teddy's Hockey Cards, aka Ryan, opened his 4 boxes, because we all split a case, me, him, and our buddy. And he added the clear cuts he got and a bunch of extras. So that's pretty neat. Okay. So he was nice enough to add, like I said, the clear cuts. And so I'm going to save the 2 really good ones for last. There is a Josh Hosang UD Portraits, oddly enough. And then we've got Alex Ovechkin Reflections. Numbered 292 out of 300. Is that from this? Yeah, it is. I'm very excited to open these boxes. An Ultimate Victory Ovechkin. We've got a Joey Daccord clear cut for the PC. This one, the Nathan MacKinnon All-Star clear cut. That is too cool. We've got a Marc-Andre Fleury Ovation, even though he's no longer with us. A Jacob, it's either Jacob or Jakob, I can never remember. Markstrom clear cut. And a Jeff, is that his name? Jeff Brown, that is the most basic name. Jeff Brown Pacific Paramount. That is an old card, that's really cool. And then the 2 major cards, which I find it hilarious that these are the exclusive ones, is Kiefer Sherwood and Evgeny Dadonov, who is now a Golden Knight. So, really solid cards. So thank you again, Ryan. If you're watching this, you are the man. Now let's get into these dang boxes. So we're going to do one at a time. We will have 4 separate videos for this. I am going to go through them quite quickly. I'm not going to read every base card like I usually do, so that way this isn't a 30-minute video, especially since I just spent almost 5 minutes showing those cards. So with that being said, I'm actually, oh geez, I'm just going to take the, alright, that's going to happen. I'm just going to take the packs out because I want to save this box. I'm going to try to, even though I kind of broke the side of it, because I like to use boxes for displays, even though I really mangled this box. But there we go. Alright, so now that I have successfully messed up my display and kicked the camera, oh geez, this is a good start. Hopefully this isn't an omen for what's to come. We've got 1, 2, 3, 6 12, 18, 24 packs. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this. As you know, if you watch the channel, it's been a very long time since we've opened packs. So I'm so excited to do this. So we got the 2021 Extended Series. Finally got Connor Sheary in a Capitals jersey. And the Holtby All-Star. So the All-Stars will get their own place. And it looks like our first card is a Tim Stützle Holo FX. Here is our first insert. I do have to be careful that I make sure I don't miss any French variants. And if we do get a major card, it will be sleeved. Vasilevsky All-Star. Looks like we got our first checklist. I guess. Alright, there's our first young gun, Hayden Verbeek. No one fancy, no one good. With the unfortunate way that they do a lot of the young guns in these recent. So we got 2 All-Stars in one pack. I don't think the All-Stars are like worth anything per se, but another All-Star, McDavid All-Star. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put in my base. There we go. Huh, that's funny. I just got this in a previous video. Peyton Krebs rookie class. At least it's a PC hit. That's pretty sweet. All right. So I've seen some very good hits, like Teddy/Ryan. He got the Lafreniere retro, so that was really cool. Oh, there's Sgarbossa in his Capitals uniform. All right, rookie young gun number 2, Mikhail Maltsev. So another name that is not too impressive. So pretty bad box so far. We got a Mitch Marner All-Star. So we got a pile of those going. Theoretically, either I or Mike will be pulling a clear-cut Young Guns. Got a Tkachuk All-Star, a Binnington All-Star. Oh, that's a nice PC hit right there. Nicholas Backstrom Retro. So it looks like we're getting a lot of the inserts are PC hits, so that's really nice. And another, that is 3 All-Stars in one pack. Killing it with these All-Stars. I'm wondering, is there a subset for that? Like, can I complete a set of All-Stars? Is that a thing? So that'd be pretty cool. White Cloud. I'm gonna have to go through all these and make sure I didn't miss any French variants. This can't be a base pack. What? Did I? All-Star, All-Star. Hold on. There's no way. I didn't realize that they did base packs in, unless there's something I'm missing. Or I guess maybe the All-Stars were... That's a bummer. Well, we're gonna start picking from the other side, because we've got 2 stacks. We got something. Okay. Another Chuck. Another Binnington. Cody Eakin. Alright, what do we got? Huh. Well, we got a very damaged clear-cut Young Guns. That is going to be sent in. That's rough. I get the clear-cut, and it's all sorts of bent. That's... Well, hopefully we'll get something better in return. But that is just too bad. That's great. Just as I was saying that there's going to be a clear-cut Young Guns. Well, following it up with a Joe Thornton suit variant. Marner All-Stars. That's too funny. I finally pull a clear-cut Young Guns. And it's, I mean, look at that. Like, it looks like some, like, what? How does that happen? That's terrible. Like, when I pulled it out of the pack, it looked, like, weird. And I was like, maybe it's just a thick card? Roman Josi All-Star. Duclair All-Star. Weber All-Star. Jeez, they're really getting me with all these All-Stars. Like this is my stack of All-Stars right now. That's crazy. All right. Is this another base pack? What is it with these base packs? That's crazy. I'm still baffled as to how this happens, but all the other cards were fine. That's absolutely bananas. And it's the clear cut of all cards. Furious. Hurdle All-Star. Pedersen. Victory. Ultimate Victory. What's that? Soderberg. Okay. Alex D'Orio? Alex the Oreo? I don't... Man, these Young Guns are not doing it. Another Duclair, another Weber. So disappointed about that. Like, I'm excited to send it in and see what I get in return, but that sucks. Pietrangelo All-Star. Georgiev, sticking cards. Josi. Got a rookie class of Thomas Harley. And another checklist. That looks like that's the All-Star checklist. All right. Michael Honey, Oshie All-Star. Pasta All-Star. Leon Draisaitl Ovation. That's a cool texture they have going on with that. Perron All-Star. Frederick Anderson All-Star. Chara in the Capitals gear. Quinn Hughes All-Star. You'll have to let me know if you guys know why I'm getting so many base packs if these All-Stars count as inserts. I feel like I'm getting gypped. Nosen, I used to have his 1 of 1. Another All-Star. Okay, Alexander Romanov is my retro Young Guns. So we will grab a sleeve. That is a really thick sleeve. And a top loader. And Romanov is our retro Young Guns for this box. Continuing on, O'Reilly All-Star. I really don't think I'm supposed to be getting this many All-Stars, but I could be wrong. All right. Alexei Heponiemi. I know that he was one of the better ones initially. Let's see how many Young Guns that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the retro is 6, so that might be all. I don't know if the clear cut counts. The normal McKinnon All-Stars. All right. Oh, French. Connor Mackey French Young Guns. Look at that. So that is another sleevable, top loadable card. Man, I'm seriously bummed out about that clear cut being damaged like that. That's crazy. I've never seen that. I know that there's been some miscut. There's someone I saw that had an entire box where every Young Guns was miscut. I don't know what would make me more annoyed. Well, there's my clear cut. Got a Tanner Kero clear cut. We'll sleeve that up. I'm not gonna worry about a top loader for that one yet. Stahl suit variant. All-Star. I mean, dang, at this point, from this one box, I think I'm gonna have every All-Star. Barbosa. Studnicka. What do we got? Nothing. Another base pack with a dang... I don't know what to think of this box. I really don't. Tell me this is not another freaking base pack. What is this? I'm starting to get really annoyed. This is a crazy box. Chris Letang All-Star. What is this? I don't want all these All-Stars. I want actual hits. Oh, Kaprizov, Victory Rookie. That's getting a sleeve and a top loader. I don't know how much it's worth, but I know his stuff is decently up there. Another All-Star. Another All-Star. I mean, damn, at this point, I'm going to be able to complete the All-Star set twice. Looks like we got another clear cut. Oh, no. It's not. Never mind. Alright, let's see. Mitch Marner. Mitch Marner, numbered 784 out of 1,000. And it's damaged. Look at that. This is nuts. All of my good inserts damaged. That's crazy. No sick. All-Star. Alright, final pack. And we got something that's not damaged in here. We got, I think that's another clear cut. Won't be on the Canucks. That looks so wrong. 2 All-Stars. William Carrier in that beautiful jersey. And a Ryan Dzingel clear cut. So that is 2 clear cuts in 1 box. Technically 3 if you count the garbage quality. Oh, another suit variant. Blues. Alright. Well, that was an interesting ride. We got Kaprizov, French Young Guns, Romanov, as well as Heponiemi, Diorio, the completely destroyed Artem Zub, Maltsev, and Verbeek. So, thank you for joining me today on box number 1. 3 more to come, so be on the lookout. I'm going to try to get them uploaded pretty quickly. I'm also going to look into if this is normal for the amount of All-Stars to get in a box. But either way, thank you again for joining me today. Please subscribe if you have not already. Let me know what you thought of this box. It's, like I said, very weird. So thank you for joining me again, and I will see you in the next one.